The trailing shield is attached to the back of your mower, between the rear wheels. It blocks debris from being thrown at your feet by the blade. Over time, the shield can wear from dragging against the ground. It is important to replace a worn, cut, or missing trailing shield to avoid being injured by flying debris. Replacing the trailing shield is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old trailing shield from the mower. There's a screw that retains the trailing shield on either end. I've aligned the wheel spoke so I can access the screw through the spoke. And I'll remove the screw on the other side. With the screws removed, now I can pull the trailing shield away from the deck. Now I can install the new trailing shield. I'll align it with the holes on the back of the baffle. I'll need to bend it to insert it into the other hole. And once in place, I'll secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new trailing shield on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.